Studygrams, make money Instagramming revision notes. Revision doesn't just have to be long days in the library, you can now use your notes as a way to gain more social media followers, and cash. How to start a Studygram. If you're an avid highlighter collector or a sucker for a colorful mind map, then this could be right up your street. That said, while super neat handwriting and some calligraphy skills might be handy, creating a successful Studygram also relies heavily on finding your own style and posting consistently. Whether you go for typed-up notes or scrap paper is up to you, it's all about building your unique style and growing your followers. Running a successful Studygram account. Han set up the account to combine her love of photography with something that she was going to be doing a lot at university, studying. Along with posting bright and colorful desk snaps on a daily basis, she works hard to engage her followers and build an audience. She asks questions, responds to comments and links to similar accounts. Making money from Studygrams. Of course, having thousands of followers is more than just an ego boost, it can also be a great way to make money if you know how. Han has featured giveaways and sponsored content in her Instagram posts, helping to turn her Studygram account into a money-making venture. How to make money from social media. Listen to our interview with Rachel, another successful Studygrammer. Using her skills in organization and revision planning, Legally Studies has also made timetables, plans and calendars which you can buy from her website. It takes some hard work and dedication, but Instagram can be a great, if not slightly unusual, way to make money at university. If you find yourself struggling to get out of bed and knuckle down to do some serious revision, the prospect of earning some money from it ought to do the trick. Successful Studygrammers to inspire you. Legally Studies isn't the only student turning pretty revision notes into a thriving Studygram. Although she's not posted for a while, Emma Studies was a third-year communications student in Australia who still has an impressive following of over 300,000 followers with her colorful revision pics. You don't need to wait until university either, as A-level and GCSE students are getting in on the action too. As an A-level student, Emily Studies had around 120,000 followers with her super neat handwriting and sparkling revision notes. Now, as a medical student, she's almost doubled her follower count. So, no matter what stage of your education you're at, get selling your revision notes on